It's Ricky from Dance is Dope, and today we're doing a dope house dance routine. Now, this is part 1 and the track is fire, so I know you guys are gonna love this one. Also, let me know down in the comments what your favorite style is and if you practice multiple styles or if you stick to one style. I'm just interested. But let's get straight into it. So jump yourself up, find a space, let's go, let's go. So we're starting on count and for this. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, you jump and 1, and you come down. It's kind of like a jack, you're kind of almost like a deflating down. So it's and 1, step up. I do this every time. From this point here, video has been mirrored. So if I'm saying right, you're doing right. If I'm saying left, I'm saying left. I have to remind you, otherwise it gets way confusing. But yeah, the video is mirrored. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, step right behind 2, shuffle, kick right, 3 and 4. Hop out, cross, out, cross, out, cross. Yeah, again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out, cross, that's right in front. Out, cross, left in front. Out, tap down. Tap both feet in the middle, yeah? One more. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out, cross, out, tap down. From here, you're heeling, right foot in front, heel, right foot to the back, toe, then tap it in behind your left foot. I'll have some close-ups as well to help you guys out, like here or here. Tap that right foot behind, and you'll hop on right foot, tap left to a heel. Boom. Now let me do that step again, that one's real confusing, yes? We've just done our out, cross, out, tap, out. So it's the first count of 8 done there. Then we heel, right foot, toe, right foot, tap right foot in behind your left, then tap it back to a toe. And you're gonna hop on right foot as you heel out and left, tap that left foot out to a toe, then you hop into both heels and lean it forward. Yeah? So the speed of that one, well, the timing of that one is heel, toe, tap, toe, heel, toe, hop, heels. Boom. Yeah? So from the top, and we'll keep moving. We're nearly done this 2 count of 8 combo. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Heel, toe, tap, toe, heel, toe, heels. From here, you're gonna cross step out to the side, kind of like a loose legs out to the side. Step right, step left, tap right foot on a heel, tap it on the toe. So your loose legs out to the side, yeah? So you just finished your heels, and it's step right, left, heel right, toe left. Boom. So after that double heel, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, step left back. Then you're gonna step left in front, right foot's gonna come down, and then you're gonna hop over that left foot. And that's the end of that 2 count of 8 combo, yeah? So let me just go through that new bit. So from the jump crosses, so we've gone out, cross, out, tap, down. We hit heel, toe, tap, toe, heel, toe, double heels. Step right, left, heel right, toe left, step left back, kick it forwards, hop over, boom. Okay, quick recap through the routine, and then we'll smash it a good few times with the music, yeah? Quick recap, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Heel, toe, tap, toe, heel, toe, heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, kick, hop, over, boom. Nice, okay, if you're struggling with that, rewind it back. If not, 3 times in a beat, let's go. Okay, so this routine is super quick, so this is me bracing you, yeah? This one's a fast one. If you really struggle even after the 3 times, you can either rewind it back and try it again, or you can do playback speed on the video, half, 50%, that might be easy to pick it up, yeah? But let's go through it with the music, yeah? So 3 times, I'll count it in, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! 2 more. I told you it was quick. Let's go, 2 more times. Now you know.
I like the way you work it. No diggity. Got the bag in it.
Hey, 1 more. Okay, so this is your last one. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this routine, yeah? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, nice, okay, well done today guys, you smashed it, hope you enjoyed that routine. Click here to jump straight in your next tutorial, keep learning, appreciate you all.